Hey guys, and welcome to this video. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix in Cash App the borrow option not showing up. Okay, so the first thing you're going to want to do is go up to your profile icon in the top right hand corner, and then we're going to scroll all the way down until we find support. Here it's going to bring up your most recent transactions. If you just scroll to the bottom and select Cash App Card, and then again scroll all the way down to the bottom where we've got Contact Us, and under there it has Chat. If you select that one, it's then going to ask again, is it about a transaction? Then you can just select Not About a Transaction. And then here we're going to open up a chat with Cash App Support. Okay, and once you've explained to the Cash App Support representative about the issue, they will obviously try to help fix that and give you the borrow option back in Cash App. So that is how you fix the Cash App borrow option not showing up.